Still many are joining. I'm audible to everyone? Okay, fine. So today we have to deal with the next part of the mail merge, that is the data source. That is the data source. I hope you have all understood about the main document. Main document designing and everything you have to do by yourself. Yes. How much creative you are, that much you can do. Yes, Yashashvi, I think break is over. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you people so that you can understand how do we create the data source. There from MS Word itself we will create. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen now. So here's the main document which I have created. It's a cake, fine. And here I have inserted some picture and all. Fine. What is the venue? What is the date? What is the timing? I'm not that much creative. Ganda designing वगैरह है मेरा, but you can understand what matter you have to write, whatever you want, as you people have seen in the invitation cards and all that you can write here. Yes, pictures, more pictures you can insert. Well, now we need to have a name here to whom we want to send it. Yes, to whom we want to send it. Here at the bottom you can write your name. Here at the bottom, let's you can write here from, just suppose I'm writing my name only, from Anamika. Yes, so this much is the common thing because I'm sending the invitation, but here at the top the name of those persons should be there to whom we are sending the invitation card. Right now, here what we have to do, we have to go to mailing option. You can see here on the top where the menus are there, like home, insert, page layout and all. Here we can see that mailing option is there. You can see mailing, home, insert, page layout, reference, and then mailing. Yes. So we will go to mailing option. Now here we have to choose this third option, start mailing merge. Start mail merge. Here, when you will click, a drop down arrow will be there. So when you will click that drop down arrow, this menu will appear. We have to choose the last one. We have to choose this last option, that is step by step mail merge wizard. Fine. Now you can see that here, as soon as I have clicked here, it came here. I'm just making it a bit more bigger so that you can understand. Okay. On your right hand side, right pane, it will be there. Now we have to select here what we want. Here we want a letter. We don't want an envelope, right? So letter automatically by default it will be selected. Then we have to go to, and what is the option? What is the meaning of all these? As you will select those, definition of that will be shown here. Okay, if we want envelope, a print address envelope for the group mailing, label, directory, whatever you want, but we want here a letter. So we are going to choose this option, and then here at the end you will find next starting document. Now you can see here written 1 of 6. You can see here written 1 of 6. 1 of 6 means there are total 6 steps. There are total 6 steps which complete your mail merge. Leaving this, creating the main document. Main document is not included in the under this 6 steps. Clear? So this was the first one where we have selected letter. Then we will go to next starting document. Now here, what you want, current document means whatever is there. Right now here, which you have created, which you can see here written welcome and all. This particular one is the current document. If you don't want this, means you can create your main documents and you can keep it for your future use also. So here, if you don't want this, you can choose anyone else, other also. Like you start from a template or start from existing document. Existing document means any other document which you have already created. Fine. So I want this one only, which because this one I have created. Now I will go to next. If you want to go to the previous one, that also you can do, but there is no use of going there because already we have selected letter which we want. Now we have to go to the next step. This was the second step. Now we have to go to third. Let's go to third. Next, write your letter. Write your letter means use existing list. Letter here, what is the name of this one? Mail merge here is this third step. This is the third step where we are going to create our list. To whom we are going to send the letter or the invitation. Fine. So here I don't want to use the existing list because I have not created any list, so I'm not going to use that. If you want to select it from the Outlook contact means basically Outlook is a software, application software where you keep your details of your friends or contacts, like their phone number, their email ID, their address, all these kind of things. It is a kind of application which provides you all these kind of things. So you can import contacts from there also, but we don't have that also right now. So we are going to use type a new list. We are going to use this third option, type a new list, and then we will click on create. Fine. Now, when you will click on this option create, this dialog box will appear. Now here, for each entry, one will be given by default. Right here, what you want. I want to customize because you can see there are so many options: title, first name, last name, company name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code. So these many things are not required to be written on the letter. So I will click on this option, customize column. These are the different columns. So all these things were there: title, first name, last name, company, address 1, address 2, city. All these things are there in a form of different columns. Yes. So which you want to be written there on the letter, only that should be here. Only that part should be here. So just suppose I don't want the email address. So I will select that and I will delete. Yes. Then phone, not required, delete. This one also not required, delete. Country, no need, delete. Zip code, no need, delete. State, not required. City, not required. Why all these things are given? Because in many of the places, informal letters, maybe many times, because we are writing an informal letter right now. So maybe some people are willing to have it in a, just suppose in official letters and all. So there they can use that. Fine. All these options. So address line 1, address line 2, I don't want. Company name, I'm not sending to any company. So I just want the first name and the last name. Fine. If you want to add anything, so leave it, that we will do it as well. So these two I want. Now click on OK. Fine. So write here first name. Just suppose, again, let's customize. Let's cancel it again and let's create it again. Customize column. This I want to delete. I want the first name and the city. Okay, the first name, just suppose city. Fine. Now I want another one. So when you will press enter, it will not give you another one. So what you have to do, you have to click on new entry. Then only you will get another option. What you have to click? New entry. Just suppose now, fine. It's not giving you the new entry. Click new entry. Now just suppose what to show. Fine. Then so this way you can have. I'm having just 4 entries. You can identify these 4 names now. Now I have clicked on OK. As soon as you will click on OK, it will give you an option to save this list. Now we have to give some name to it. Just suppose birthday invitation. Birthday invitation list. Any name you can give, and it will be saved automatically. Click on save. As soon as you have clicked on save, you can see here in the data source. Now it is the name giving data source, and the name of the file is birthday invitation list .mdb, means Microsoft database. Fine. And now you can see that this is the data source, this is the name of the file, and this is the names of the recipients. Yes. Now click on OK. Your list is ready now. Fine. Now third step is done. Now click on next, write your letter. Write your letter means now you are going to insert those names from your list to your invitation letter. I will give you a chance for asking the questions better. Let me finish out these steps. Yes. Then more items. Here in this 4 step, what we have to choose? More items. As soon as I will click on more items, what you want? City, first name I want to insert. Wherever your cursor will be, there only this first name will be inserted. So select that, what you want to be selected, insert. Then I have to choose another one. Otherwise, if I will click on first name again, I will insert again, first name will be inserted. Getting? I want city now to be inserted. Click city. You can see that first name and city. Now you will say that name is not inserted. Only first name and city, this word is inserted. No. This first name and city is inserted wherever this first name is written. There the name of the person will come, the first recipient will come. And the city, what we have inserted in that list, that will be inserted. Now close. Now let's preview your letters. Now you can see here, I'm not given any space here. Yes. So I want some space, or just suppose enter. Now preview your letter. Now you can see the first name was Mickey, no? And the city was London. Now you can see here on the top, or here also. Here where my cursor is, can you see? Here, this is recipient 1. 4 recipient names we have entered. Recipient 2. Is it changing? I have not entered here in this file. Have I entered? No, I have created that name there in the list. Yes. So recipient 1, recipient 2, recipient 3, and recipient 4. Similarly, from here also you can do. If you want, here only 4 I'm having. If you want to go to any specific one, first and last, by this you can go one by one. Okay. Understood? Now it is being inserted here. Now the next one is complete the merge. Complete the merge means if you want to print these letters, okay, or you want to change any individual letter, means just suppose any specifics out of these 4, somebody is very special to you. You can write something else on that letter if you want. Understood? So that's why the last steps give you the final finishing touch. So these are the 6 steps which we have to cover to complete our mail merge. Now let's take some queries now. Yes, Anunak?
Let's suppose that we have to change the entry, then how we can change?
Now you want to change the names.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for changing the names, what you have to do, you have to go to that particular step. With this previous and next you can do. Yes. Now here as the more items are there, sorry. Here. Edit recipient list is there now.
Yes, ma'am.
You will select here, this is the list. Now if you want to do the editing, that you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Miss, we can open in our laptop.
why not? Means for editing, what you have to do, you have to select that one and click on edit. As soon as you will click on edit, this dialog box, now you can delete or enter new names over here. समझ में आया?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Pragyan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pragyan. Your voice is cracking.
I want to ask ma'am, I want to ask, is there any keyboard from which we can do merge?
Keyboard shortcut.
Yes, ma'am.
No. You have to use these options. Yes, Anmol?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to ask that how you have done the picture that beside of that name you have written.
I have inserted
The
a picture. I have just inserted a picture. Just suppose I'm doing it here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm inserting a picture here now. Now here, just suppose this one I'm just taking. So it inserted. Now when the picture is inserted, right click on that, wrap text behind the text. So now wherever it will be behind the text. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Miss, then how we will write on that picture, up of the picture?
Better you write first, then insert the picture and send it back.
Ma'am, when we will write text, then we will do wrap text, then it will be behind the text.
Like here, I'm writing no, welcome is written.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to
Okay, ma'am.
my party. What is happening? Where it is going? It's on the text, above it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this thing we can have do in the laptop.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Celestine.
Miss, I want to ask that the name we can make bolder and color it also in like.
Just suppose here we have done now. Here after as the name is here now, you make it bold, make it italic, make it underline. Yes, you want to change the color. Whatever you want, you can do. Understood?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhant.
How to change the background of picture any?
What you have done right now here, what I was telling.
No, but any we have to first we have to download first any picture we have to.
Definitely in this system, nothing was there. I have downloaded that one. If it is there in your system, straight away you can insert. Somebody is. Yes, Yati.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I do not understand that the creating a meaning.
Creating a
Neil merge document.
This is what here where welcome when new date and timing is written. This is the main document. So here in class 4th and 5th also you people have studied how to work on MS Word. पढ़ा था सेम जितनी डिजाइनिंग आपने पढ़ी थी जैसे जैसे इंसर्ट करना पड़ा ये किया था सारा अपना डिजाइनिंग और जितना इमेजिनेशन आप पेपर पे करते हो वो यहाँ आप कर सकते हो that you can use and you can design. Understood? That is completely your thing, your imagination. कितने creative आप हो. I'm not that much creative. I've just written the text to make you people understand. Understood now? Yes, Adya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Now I have to ask that after selecting first name and last name, what we have to do? Am I not understand?
Click on OK. You are inserting right now, na?
Yes, I put on OK that I write first name, Nikki, and last name, Nana, but after that, what to write now?
I'm not getting which step you are.
Yes,
Here, just suppose on the previous step you are. On more items you have clicked.
yes, ma'am.
Which step you are? Step 4 or 3?
Only step 3.
Step 3 you are.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have this list you have created.
Yes, ma'am.
This list you have created. Just click on OK now. Click on OK.
Yes, ma'am.
Clicked. Now this way it will be. Now it will give you an option to save the file.
Yes, ma'am.
Give any name to it. And then click OK or save.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Now when it is done, now go to 4th step.
Ma'am, there.
Here at the bottom it is there. And you will click as you are coming to 3rd step. Similarly, you will go to the 4th step and there you will select this option more items.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will click on more items. So these 2 things you have entered. Now select what you want, where you want to insert. First you insert your means make the position of the cursor at the right place and then you select the option from here and click on insert. And as soon as you will insert, that part will be inserted over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then when it will be inserted, then suppose first name I'm inserting and click on close. I don't want this. So I can, after that also I can edit. After inserting, I can edit. Okay. And then again go to next 5th step to preview. Preview means कैसा लगेगा मेरा letter. To see that.
Step and review.
Definitely it will work. And then you can see for all 4. If it is 100, so it will show you up till 100 here. If you want to find any specific recipient, that also you can do from here. Understood?
Yes.
So mute yourself from your side. Yes, Avika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to ask that I have 2 doubts. First doubt is, ma'am, and the screen, we can make any pattern like things.
Yes, why not? It's completely your imagination, beta. आप अपना कैसा डिजाइन कर? हाँ?
Miss, how we will make that?
How we make that? That is means up till now the formatting which you people have seen. You create it on the paint, then you can insert. आप कहीं पे भी बना सकते हो. Yeah, that is not compulsory. If you have to make it on paper, no issue. You make it on paper. Click a picture of that, and you can paste that also here.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, at the beginning of the class, I was 8 minutes late because of network issue. That time, what have you taught?
I was just revising the previous thing what we have studied. This mail merge, all 6 steps is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
The main thing we have studied that only today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Lavanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Miss, I want to ask that is there any app for Android mobile phones too? We can do this.
Because this much cannot be easily done there on the Android mobile. It's better to use all these options there because all the things you cannot see together on the Android mobile. No? That is why it's very difficult to do it there.
And Miss on tab.
Pardon?
Miss on tab.
Yes, fine, you can do, but again, I will say because the as easy is because the to do it with the help of mouse, that much easy is not there with the tab.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Vidya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, while you explaining that time also I was doing the same thing. But when right now also I'm trying it, then ma'am, I've inserted a picture and then I'm trying to text, then I'm not able to text. So ma'am, what I will click? What I will click?
Just go to that particular picture. Select
Yes,
that
ma'am.
picture. That
Yes,
picture
ma'am.
is selected now. Right
Yes,
click.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A menu appeared. There, a option will be there. Wrap text.
Ma'am, text wrapping. Yes, ma'am.
Click on that. Now you will find an option. Send behind the text.
Ma'am, it is coming in line with text, behind the text.
Behind the text. That you have to choose.
Yes, ma'am.
And now when you will write,
Disappeared.
that's done. Now when you will write, the text will come above the picture. Clear?
1 second. Ma'am, when I'm typing, nothing is. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's coming.
If it is a dark color picture to black, so use that combination. No, that is why I have taken a lighter color picture.
Okay.
If you are taking a dark color picture, then change the font color to lighter so that it can be visible. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pragya Rai.
Miss, I cannot put the picture on the Miss written text. Miss,
Same thing she was asking and you were busy in talking here. Yes? You have inserted the picture.
yes, Miss.
After that, select the picture and right click on that.
Miss, right click. Yes, Miss.
A menu appeared.
Yes, Miss.
Text wrapping is there.
Yes, Miss.
Click on that.
Yes, Miss.
Behind the text is coming.
Behind the text. Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss John.
So now, so
Thank you.
this was the 4th time when I was explaining this. So please listen to the questions. Maybe somebody else is asking the question and that is your question also. So please listen. Don't be busy. If anybody else is asking and you people are busy in talking. Yes, yes, Pratap. Ask your question. You're not audible. Remove your headphone and then say.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Means that you've written above the picture welcome when you did in time that we can align also.
Why not? Whatever we have studied up till now, here even you can insert your table also. No issue. Because this is the main document, you can have anything which you have studied up till now there in MS Word. in main document. Understood? Whatever you have studied in MS Word up till now, you can use everything here. But I don't think in invitation cards, calculations are there. Yes, that is another thing. But whatever you have studied, everything, sorry, everything you can do there in the main document. Understood? Yes, Anune,
Miss,
ask a question.
Miss, when we have to send this file to anyone, how we can send?
When you have to send the thing, now in the last one, it is said, na? So here, either when you will go to this print option.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So whatever you are printing, that you can either you can save it for the future use. Yes. And then from there you can send it as a mail.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Asutosh.
Miss, when I was inserting my picture, but I was not inserting by your steps.
Pardon.
Miss, I was not inserting by your steps. Miss,
No
I was
issue. There are
going
many
at,
other ways.
Miss,
There are
I was
many.
going at, Miss, I was going at page layout. From there, I was inserting,
No
and
problem.
I can write on the picture also.
That only I'm saying there are many other ways. I have shown you the simplest way. If I will, so many steps are here, complicated ones. If I will tell that one, so again, many students will get confused. That is why I have not told that one. Understood?
Okay, Miss.
Mute yourself from your side now. Yes, Sitij.
Miss, for the exam, we have to prepare any diagram also.
No. Earlier also, I think you have only asked the same question, or I don't remember. But answer is no. No kind of pictures are going to be now. Now onwards, 6th onwards, no kind of pictures will be there. Yes, Share. Share, ask your question.
Good morning, Miss.
Good
Miss,
morning.
you have unmuted me. I am Suyas.
Ask your question.
Miss, in the document file, we can write any font in any color.
Yes. Whatever you
And
have
Miss,
learned, listen, whatever you have learned up till now in MS Word, everything you can use in main document.
okay, Miss.
Clear?
And Miss, yes, Miss. And Miss, we can change the font size. And we can.
Everything.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Shreyansh Gupta.
Plus, if we want to send this file and to anyone through email, then how we can send?
Pardon?
Plus, if we want to send anyone this file through email, then how we can send?
When you will save this file, no? So here you will find that so many other files are being saved. So you can choose anyone and then you can save, send. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Anuna.
Miss, in exam, the question will come in between the book also.
Yes.
Okay.
So many times I have said, I think thrice or this is the 4th time, I have said, be thorough with the chapter. Be thorough with the chapter. You cannot say that only book exercise questions will come. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Because all the things which have been taught there in the chapter which we are discussing here, everything is not there in the book exercise. Clear? Yes, Divyansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, miss, not regarding to the chapter. Miss, Miss, I want to ask that, miss, how we will write a symbol of rupee?
Symbol of rupees.
Yes, ma'am. Miss, I have tried many times in my laptop.
See, actually what happens, because in many of the systems, like now it is coming there in keyboard also, the symbol of
Yes, ma'am.
there in the keyboard also, but in the older
Miss-
ones, that symbol
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not there. So we have to go to insert.
Hmm.
Then here you can find symbols.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in symbols you will find, you have to just, here it is not there to click on more symbols. There are so many symbols.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you have to search there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like in currency and all, it is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the subset that you can
Yes,
use?
ma'am.
According to that, you have to search. In many of the systems, old ones, it is not there. New ones, it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. And miss, by the desktop we can do, miss, miss, my father told, but I have not tried. Miss, he said that shift and control, we have to press both together, and then we have to press upper 1 4, then rupees sign will be formed.
See, I'm telling what your father has said. Just suppose here, this alpha sign is selected, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see here shortcut key is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will press this, means
Yes, ma'am.
Alt X when you will press, or and along with this, so at that time this particular symbol will be printed.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
shortcut key that he has told you.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
For each character, just see here. This is selected. I'm just selecting beta now. You can see.
Yes, ma'am.
So as you will
Yes, ma'am.
select different ones.
Yes, ma'am.
What this particular letter is called, that name of the letter is also been shown.
Yes, ma'am. Greek. Yes, ma'am.
You can see names are changing, and the
Yes,
shortcut
ma'am.
keys are also changing. So your father has told you the simplest shortcut way.
Yes, ma'am. By the keyboard only.
You don't have to search it, but you have to remember all those.
Yes, ma'am.
Different. There are so many symbols. You can see. There are so many. You cannot remember it for all, right? And when you will click on the
Okay, ma'am.
the symbol will be inserted. Now mute yourself from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sanskar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sanskar, ask your question. You are not audible, beta. I think your microphone is not working.
Ma'am, now it's coming.
Louder.
Ma'am, what we have to send the letter online on mail, not physically, like printing and then send.
See, the basic thing is when you have to send a simple letter there, means this way, if you are willing to have, that is a bit complicated. But when you want to send the letter through mail, that chapter is there in your syllabus. When we will come to the topic where we will talk about internet and all, there I will tell you that how to send a single letter to many persons all together. Understood? With this mail merge, it's better to have a printout, because with this one, it is a bit complicated steps. Getting, it's better to get the printout here from this particular one. And when we are doing it with internet and mail, so that is there in your syllabus. Internet is there, no? At the third semester, we will study that particular part. Clear? How to create your email ID, how to send the mails and all these things we will study in third semester. Understood?
Thank you.
Sanskar, just mute yourself from your side. Yes, Sitij?
Miss, if this text you have written, we can, if we We can do it italic also.
Why not, beta? What I am saying again and again. Here is there. Just select this, make it italic. Done.
Yes,
I
miss.
want this July to be there in italic. Already I have
Okay.
done it, Bol. Why not? Whatever you have studied, everything you can do. Yes, Sanskriti.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, can you explain me the third one step, because when you were explaining, the network was not nice.
Here, either you have to select a new, means these three options are there.
Yes,
So
Miss.
we have created a list. That is why these options are coming. But
Yes, Miss.
you will do it first time. You have to select type new list.
Okay, Miss.
When you will click on type new list, this option create will come. When we'll click on create, so here so many options are there. You can see, you can just scroll and you can see. I don't need to fill all of them.
Okay, Miss.
जो मुझे चाहिए बस मैं उसको select करूंगी. तो I will go to customize column and which I want, that one I will leave and rest I will delete. Title I don't want.
Okay, Miss.
Click on delete. I don't want this zip code, delete. Yes. So whichever you don't want, click on delete, and whatever will be left, that you have to enter.
Okay,
Just
Miss.
suppose, okay. Now, whenever you will enter, one entry will be given one time. When you will enter now, after that, when you will click on new entry, then it will give you the next one.
Okay,
Each
Miss.
time you have to click on new entry, then only it will give you a new row to write.
Okay, Miss.
Understood? And when you will fill all those details and click on OK, your list will be ready.
Okay, Miss.
And
Thank
you
you,
will
Miss.
click on OK, a window will appear where you have to save the file. You have to write the name of that particular file that time. Clear?
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Pragyan?
Ma'am, I want to ask that can we insert two pictures in one
Why not?
mail?
Right now I have shown you how to insert two pictures. You can insert 10, you can insert 100, no issue. Yes, Anmol?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I have to ask that in the computer book, what is the use of that Blue Jay?
BlueJ.
Yes,
BlueJ
ma'am.
is basically
Ma'am,
a platform
is there
where
any-
you run your programs of Java. Java is a programming language that you will
Yes,
start
ma'am.
studying in class 8. Understood?
Miss will not study in this class.
No. Here in this class, we will study two programming languages. One is Scratch programming that you have already done in class 5th. And the
Yes,
new
ma'am.
one is HTML. With the help of HTML, we will create the web pages. Web pages are those pages which you see on the internet. Though the pages which we are going to create, there no use of internet will be there. We are just creating the pages. First, the
Yes,
pages are being created, they are linked together, and then they are being posted on the website. So we are just going to create the pages. In next class, you will study how to join those two pages. And afterwards, in higher classes, you will study how to post it on the internet. For your
Ma'am.
syllabus, it is just to create the pages. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to say that, ma'am, we can make the website by own.
Not programmers
Ma'am,
only
how-
create.
Ma'am, how we can make?
अगर अभी मैं सिर्फ तुमको अगर ये बताने लगूं कि वेबसाइट कैसे बनाते तो पहले तो तुम्हें प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज पढ़नी होगी. You have to study the programming language. So many different programming languages are there. In HTML
Ma'am,
is the
I have
basic
made
one.
my own app.
So what you have done, I know that you have many who can create. You have used another website, which is there to create your website.
Yes, ma'am.
But I am talking how to create that website which can create other websites. Getting? So for that,
Yes, ma'am.
you have utilized somebody else's platform. तुमने किसी और का platform use किया. Yes. So why
Yes,
to
ma'am, their
use
app is
somebody
their
else?
Whitehead Junior.
Yes, but that I'm saying. No, beta, why to use somebody else when we are having that much caliber and we are having that much facilities? Only the thing is, here you have not studied any programming languages and you have created. But
Yes, ma'am.
the way I am going to teach you, that you have to study the programming language. Then with the help of that programming language, you will create the pages. And the combination of pages makes a website.
Yes.
Getting? So you have used the
Yes.
shortcut. Getting?
Yes.
As you people are using those so many apps are there no in the Android phones to edit the
Yes.
picture and all. So you
Yes.
have used the same. How that program was created, you people have never ever thought about. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Suyash. So yes, ask your question, unmute yourself. Not audible. You're not unmuting yourself. It's not done. It's not done, Suyash. You cannot break the screen, right? Try again, try again. So the time is up. If your question is there, we can take it in the next class also, because now because the syllabus is over now. This much all is there in the syllabus. In the next class onwards, we will start our revision. Yes, Siddhant, the last question I'm taking.
Miss, we can paste our photo also in this background.
So many times I have said, yes. Earlier, the same question you have only asked.
No, ma'am, I have not asked.
Yes, you have only asked, I remember.
No, they are not.
What I am saying, right now I have said that so many pictures you can insert, you can click your own picture, you can click anything which you have created on the paper, that also you can click and you can insert. Why not? Yes, Britti Singh.
Miss, today you will upload the PDF for this lesson.
Yes. As the chapter is over, yes, the question answers will be uploaded today. So that's all from my side today. As the syllabus is over, from next class onwards, yes, Suyash is back. Yes, Suyash.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning.
Miss, I was asking that in any shape also we can insert a text.
Why not? All these things you people have studied, I think. You have not studied all these things. See here. Insert a shape. Just suppose a rectangle is there. Yes. Now just right click on this and make it empty. This is selected. Now here you can see that fill is there. You can write here, like just suppose. Wait a minute. Shape fill is there here. Just click on no
Yes,
fill.
Miss.
Okay, no fill. Now nothing has been filled here inside. Now go to insert, take a text box and just click inside that. Text box is ready here. Now you can start typing.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Anmol.
Miss, I have to ask that our exam will held in the school or at the home?
You will get the kit.
Ma'am, then our exam will at home.
Very happy, na? Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. The question papers will be there, and we will be monitoring you. Question papers you will not get at home.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, like in 5th class you have done.
Don't
Online.
worry. We will understand that you have cheated or not. We know it very nicely.
No, ma'am, I'm not doing cheating.
That is why your face is telling. That smile is telling. Yes, Atharva. Very quickly, you people are reminding that I have to ask the question already. It is time is up. Abhinav again. Huh?
Hello, ma'am. We have to give the exam by typing in laptop or
No,
in
no,
paper.
no. You are a new student this time. Then. Yes, one more boy. Atharva was there, na? Nahi. Arnav or who was there asking the question? बहुत जल्दी जल्दी याद आ रहा है. Yes, Lavanya.
Miss Abhinav was there asking question.
Yes, Abhinav, where you have gone? No, new one. Yes, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, how will be the exam? I did not know.
All those things will be given to you better. You just concentrate right now how to complete your copy and submit the copy on time.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So that's all from my side. The next class on Thursday, get ready with your queries. That day we will discuss with the queries only. Fine. We will start with the very first chapter. Whatever the queries you are there with the first chapter, that we will start with. Fine. Keep your queries ready because time is too much up. In the next class, we will come with the rest of the questions which you are having. Shreyash, Vidya, and Anmol, be ready with your queries in the next class.